Hi, my name is Jahira. Want to become a certified nursing assistant? Great. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 essential steps that will help you get certified and start working fast. Also, remember, every state is different and every state has different rules and regulations. So always make sure that you double check local rules to get you started. Let's go. All right, step one, check your state requirements. Each state has a state registry. Does your state require listings on a CNA registry? If yes, most states do. If no, then I would double check. So during this time, you want to verify eligibility. Part of that eligibility could be age, education, background checks, TB, or vaccination requirements. Another thing during this phase is you want to check your reciprocity. If moving from state to state, like I did, I moved from New York to Washington State, and you need to find out about transfers or reciprocity rules. So where can you look? You have to look during this time. You want to make sure and you look at the state health department or nursing board website. And I'm looking at a couple notes I have here for you guys. During this process, phase one, just please search your state CNA requirements. All right, step two, choose the right training program. Choose the right one that is correct for you. What might be correct for me and fits me might not fit you. During this process of phase two or step two, you want to make sure that you're looking for program types. For example, there's community colleges, vocational schools, long-term care employer programs, and those things have also their own requirements like online theory, in-person clinicals. So you have to take all those different factors into consideration. There's also length and cost. Many programs are about 4 to 12 weeks. You have to check the tuition, supplies, if you qualify for financial aid and stuff like that. Something that is very important to me is also accreditation. So for example, you want to make sure that that school is accredited. Choose the state approved program so you can sit for your exam, because most states require you to then register, sit for your exam, you register for your state, and then you're ready to practice. So make sure that you find a school that is accredited, and then make sure to look at the schedules. Each school has their own schedules. Some have day, evening, night classes, even weekend options. So pick the one that fits you and works well with you, your work, and your family needs. All right, step three. Step three consists of hands-on practice, completing your clinical hours, and skill practice. Most of the time, clinical requirements consist of including supervised clinical hours in your facility. This can vary from facility to facility, but you're going to be practicing core skills like I can't even speak, bathing, feeding, transferring vitals, documentation, and infection control. So, practice tip, guys. You want to make sure that you're practicing with your classmates, using checklists, asking instructors for extra time. And also, practice your soft skills. This will improve throughout the time being, but some soft skills could be communication, respect, patience, because those are just as important as technique, right? All right, step four. This step is the most important step of them all, is passing your CNA competency exam. Yes, you heard me right. During this phase, you're going to get ready beforehand. You're going to pass this exam. And just remember, some important parts are your exam parts. It's going to be a written and then oral testing, and you're going to be tested on your knowledge, and also you're going to demonstrate your skills. Some study tips are use practice tests like flashcards, competency exams, and you also want to make sure that you test your time and you test yourself in a certain station. Like I like to pick certain stations at my school and make sure to practice certain skills that I needed to brush up on. And also on test day, please don't forget to bring your ID, proof of your program completion, and any required forms. You can later research that. So retake rules. I took my CNA test 2 times. I'm not ashamed to say it. It made me stronger. And just remember, check your state's retake policy, study the areas you missed, and that will help you pass successfully. Step five, land the job of your dreams and start strong. What you want to start doing during step five is job searching. You're going to go on Google, Indeed, anywhere that you feel like, you can find that job and search. Apply for nursing home jobs, hospital jobs, home health jobs, agencies. You can, go online like job boards, local hiring events, and also resume tip, guys. List training on your resume, um, your list training on your resume, and also clinical experience, your CPR, and your soft skills. And during your interview, guys, you want to prepare examples of teamwork, handling stress, patient care scenarios, and on your first day, make sure that you shadow experienced CNA. Yes, shadow experienced CNAs. Ask for feedback. Focus on reliable attendance and communication. All right, guys, I have a bonus tip for you. Bonus tip to stay successful. That would be continuing education. Yes, you heard me right. Continuing education. Consider medication aid courses or LPN/RN bridge programs, and now also LPN to BSN bridge programs, because that's the course that I took. And then self-care tips. Set boundaries, debrief after tough shifts, and use your employee assistance. A lot of people don't know about it, but most jobs have that. So also networking is important because you can connect with your supervisors, your coworkers, and that can lead you to mentorship and helps your career grow. All right, guys, if this helped you, don't forget to like, comment where you're from, and subscribe to this channel. Once again, my name is Jahira, and I'm here to help you in your healthcare career path from CNA to BSN, or CNA to LPN, or CNA to wherever your healthcare journey takes you. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. And good luck. You got this.